Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make steak quesadillas. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite steak, 8 flour tortillas, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. Next, slice the steak into thin strips, roughly 1/4 inch thick, and dice 1 onion and 1 bell pepper. This preparation ensures everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of oil. Add your steak strips and cook for 3 to 5 minutes until they are nicely browned. Remove the steak and set it aside. In the same pan, add the diced onions and peppers, cooking them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. It's time to assemble your delicious quesadillas. Reduce the heat to medium. Place 1 flour tortilla in the pan and sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over 1/2 of it. Then, spoon a generous amount of your cooked steak and vegetable mixture onto the cheesy half. Fold the other half of the tortilla over and press down gently with a spatula. Continue cooking each quesadilla for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until both sides are golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted and gooey. Once cooked, transfer to a cutting board and slice each quesadilla into 2 or 3 wedges. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, sour cream, or guacamole. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade steak quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.